Hello and welcome. Today, I want to share something that can truly transform your life. It's a powerful idea that we often overlook in our pursuit of dreams. The idea is simple but profound: keeping the faith is the key to bringing your deepest dreams to life. It's not just about hoping for change but truly believing that change is possible. Let's get into how this faith works and how you can apply it to manifest the life you've always desired. When we talk about keeping the faith, what do we really mean? It's not just about waiting passively for something to happen. It's about feeling the reality of your desires in the present moment. Often, we get caught up in the idea that we need to see something to believe it. But the truth is, it works the other way around. You must believe in it first. You must believe in your dream before it manifests. This is where faith comes in. Faith is not blind. It's a powerful knowing, a deep inner conviction that what you desire is already on its way to you. The problem is, many people doubt themselves in the process. They want to see results first and then believe, but that's not how the law of attraction works. In fact, the world around you responds to your belief. When you trust in your vision, the universe begins to align itself with your belief. So how do you keep this faith even when things don't appear to be working out? One of the most important things to recall is that every challenge is part of the process. Challenges are not signs that you're doing something wrong, they're stepping stones leading you to your ultimate destination. If you're committed to your dream and truly believe it will come to pass, no amount of difficulty will make you waver. When you face a setback, instead of allowing doubt to creep in, you should reaffirm your belief. Use the situation as an opportunity to deepen your faith, to re-establish your trust in the unseen forces working on your behalf. The key is persistence. Many people give up just before their breakthrough. They may have worked hard, dreamed big, and yet when results don't show up immediately, they lose hope. But real faith isn't shaken by time. It knows that everything happens in its own perfect timing. This is why keeping the faith is essential. Even when it seems like nothing is happening, believe that things are moving behind the scenes. Every thought, every word, and every action you take plants a seed. And even if you don't see the tree sprouting right away, the roots are still growing beneath the surface. Faith also means trusting that everything you need is already within you. Your dreams are not outside of you waiting to be obtained, they are an expression of who you truly are. The desires you hold in your heart are simply a reflection of the potential that lies dormant within you. The moment you acknowledge this, you start to unlock the infinite power that is available to you. Faith connects you to this inner power. It allows you to act in alignment with your dreams, even when the path isn't clear. Let's talk about one of the most important elements of faith: visualization. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about vividly imagining your dream as if it's already real. When you visualize, you engage all your senses. You see it, feel it, and experience it in every way possible. This is a form of prayer, an act of creative visualization that brings your dream to life. The more you do this, the more your mind and body begin to accept it as truth. If you truly want to manifest your desires, you must live as though your dream is already real. Feel it in every fiber of your being. Walk through your day as if you are already living the life you want. Faith isn't just a mental exercise, it's something you feel deeply in your heart. When you feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of your dream coming true, you set a vibration into motion that can only attract more of the same energy. Another powerful aspect of faith is the willingness to let go. This may sound contradictory, but faith requires you to release your attachment to how and when things should unfold. Holding on to the how can create anxiety and resistance. You must trust that the universe has a plan for you and that it will unfold in the best possible way. Often, we limit ourselves by clinging to rigid expectations. But faith allows for flexibility and flow. Let go of the need to control every detail, and trust that everything is working out for you. Sometimes, faith means trusting your own intuition. The more you connect with your inner self, the more you realize that you are guided by an inner wisdom. This wisdom is always there, and when you listen to it, it will lead you to the right places and people. Faith isn't just about holding on to a dream, it's also about trusting the journey that takes you there. The path may twist and turn, but each step brings you closer to the fulfillment of your dream. Living with faith also means being grateful. Gratitude is a powerful magnet that draws more of what you want into your life. When you focus on what you have, rather than what you lack, you shift your energy to a higher vibration. This, in turn, attracts more abundance, more opportunities, and more of what you desire. Gratitude reinforces faith by reminding you of all the blessings you already have, making it easier to trust that more is on its way. So, how do you start? Begin by affirming that you already have what you desire. Speak it out loud. Write it down. Feel it as if it's already here. This simple act shifts your mindset from lack to abundance, from doubt to belief. By consistently doing this, you anchor your faith in the present moment, bringing your dream to life one step at a time. Don't be afraid to take inspired action, either. Faith doesn't mean sitting back and doing nothing. It means acting in alignment with your vision. When you feel guided to take a step, even if it seems small or uncertain, take it. Trust that the steps you are taking are part of a larger plan. The universe responds to your actions, and when you act with faith, you open the door to even greater opportunities. It's important to note that the process of bringing your dreams to life doesn't happen overnight. Patience is a crucial element of faith. Stay committed to your vision, knowing that the universe is aligning everything perfectly. Even when you don't see immediate results, know that the seeds you've planted are growing in ways that you may not yet understand. Sometimes, the hardest part is simply staying in the feeling of faith when things aren't going as expected. This is where your true power lies, when you continue to believe in the unseen, when you trust in the process, even when things are tough. Faith is not about avoiding challenges, it's about maintaining your belief in the outcome despite the challenges. This kind of unwavering faith is what brings your deepest dreams into reality. The more you practice this, the more you will see how powerful you are. You are not a passive participant in your life. You are the creator. Your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are the foundation upon which your dreams are built. By keeping the faith, you are reinforcing your own creative power. In conclusion, never underestimate the power of faith. When you keep the faith, you unlock a world of possibilities. Your dreams are already within you, waiting to be realized. By trusting in the unseen, letting go of control, and living as though your dream is already here, you activate the full potential of your being. The universe is always working in your favor, and by staying faithful, you allow it to deliver your desires in ways that surpass your expectations. So, the next time doubt creeps in, recall this: your faith is the key to unlocking everything you want. Keep it strong, keep it unwavering, and watch as your deepest dreams begin to materialize. Trust the process, and know that what you believe will ultimately become your reality. Keep the faith, and let it guide you to the life you've always imagined.